2019. E-SEVA Bazar. 2021. EDUIMMI Universe. Cement Bazar. 2022. GREENWORLD Pay. GREENWORLD Finserv. GREENWORLD International Information Technology Services. The GREENWORLD International E-SEVA Bazar is a single-window platform that can provide all kinds of green concept products and services required by an individual or a family, a community or an organization, with the help of a highly functional and service-minded backed by cutting-edge technology and effective marketing strategies. GREENWORLD Pay, the ultimate payment solutions, and the next generation B2B portal, single wallet, multiple services and ultimate income opportunities. Cement Bazar, a physical and virtual platform for the sale and purchase of 32+ brand cements and building materials. GREENWORLD Finserv, an amalgamation of embedded financial services. A banking APS provider with broad scope of customized and specialized tailor-made API packages to suit individual demands. GREENWORLD International Information Technology Services. We have an array of latest technologies to cater to all your requirements. We deliver technical solutions to make your day better. Awards and achievements. Our team strength. Regional Office Kattapana. GREENWORLD International, Pumatab Building New Bus Stand Up Munsif Office Kattapana PO. Corporate Office. GREENWORLD International, Buzzwork, 2nd floor, 4 Points by Sheraton, World Trade Center, Phase 1, Info Park PO, Kakinad. Technology Center. Room number 28A GREENWORLD International, Jawaharlal Nehru International Stadium, Kalur, Kochi. Dr. Vinod Kumar DA, Founder and Chairman. Our mission. The mission Go Green. Build Dreams, Be Global 2K25 begins. We have embarked on our journey to develop our green concept products and services. Purely bred out of technology. Domains over a 3-year period to deliver products and services that serve goodness. For the betterment of society and hence the name, Green. Springs up like mushrooms. GREENWORLD is taking over the world at a steady pace, started small and now having 90+ partner branches all over the world.